Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Employment Enterprises Inc. They're looking for an administrative assistant. It pays up to $20 per hour. Employment Enterprises Inc. is currently working with a government entity that provides municipal services near the nation's capital. We are searching for an administrative assistant. You'll be involved in handling privileged and confidential information with accuracy, attentiveness to detail, independent initiative, good customer service, and follow-up skills. Administrative assistant responsibilities: contact clients via phone for updates records of clients, record keeping of reports and files using Microsoft Office Suite, attend meetings using MS Teams or other approved virtual meeting platforms, respond to internal customer service inquiries. Other duties as assigned: administrative assistant qualifications, high school or JET equivalent, 0-2 years of clerical experience or working in an office environment, good knowledge of office management practices and procedures, including good knowledge of word processing, ability to take in or transcribe dictation, ability to verbally communicate courteously and effectively with many different members of the general public, ability to follow complex oral and written directions, ability to maintain complex clerical records and prepare reports from such records, ability to make decisions in accordance with laws, ordinances, regulations, and established procedures, ability to plan and coordinate moderately complex work projects requiring the assistance of others. What we offer: 401k retirement plan, medical and dental benefits for qualifying professionals, flex spending account, credit union membership, voluntary supplemental insurance. Our equal employment opportunity policy. Employment Enterprises Inc. is an equal employment opportunity employer. We recruit, employ, assign, train, compensate, and promote without regard to race, color, sex, age, disability, religion, national origin, marital status, sexual orientation, ancestry, U.S., veteran status, or any other protected category under applicable law. Job type: contract. Pay up to $20 per hour. Benefits: 401k, dental insurance, health insurance, vision insurance. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.